You've probably seen it in your Chase app. A free credit score, just waiting for you. It seems like a fantastic perk, right? A major bank offering this key piece of your financial identity completely free of charge. But here's a question. Is that the real score lenders look at when you're applying for a car loan or a mortgage? We wanted to find out. So in this video, we're going to walk through Chase's credit journey service, show you exactly what it offers, and uncover the one critical detail that could make or break your next big financial move. First, let's tackle the most obvious question. Is it actually free? The answer is yes. The service, called Chase Credit Journey, is 100% free, and you don't even have to be a Chase customer to use it. Anyone can sign up. The process itself is simple. You create an account, provide your standard personal information, like your name and social security number, and then answer a few security questions to confirm you are who you say you are. Now, this is important. Signing up and checking your score through Credit Journey is considered a soft inquiry. This means it does not affect your credit score at all, no matter how often you check it. So, you can relax. You're not being penalized for staying informed. We're in. So let's see what we get. Once you're logged in, the main dashboard puts your credit score front and center. Right beside it, Chase tells you where that number comes from. It's your VantageScore 3.0, based on data from the credit bureau Experian. The score is refreshed at least once a month, and it will update every 7 days if you log in to check it frequently. But Chase Credit Journey gives you a lot more than just a number. It provides a full report card on the factors shaping your score, like your credit card usage, on-time payment history, the age of your accounts, and any recent hard inquiries. This is the educational piece, and it's incredibly valuable for seeing where you're doing well and where you could improve. It also includes a score simulator to estimate how certain actions, like paying off a loan or opening a new card, might impact your score. On top of that, it provides identity monitoring that alerts you if your personal information shows up on the dark web. For a free tool, it's surprisingly comprehensive. So, you get a weekly score update, a breakdown of credit factors, and identity monitoring, all for free. It sounds perfect. But this brings us to the most important point of the video. The score you're seeing is a VantageScore 3.0. And while VantageScore is a legitimate credit score, it's probably not the one your lender will use to make a decision. Here's the catch. Over 90% of top lenders use 𝐔𝐒𝐄 scores to decide who gets approved for loans. Think of it like this. VantageScore and 𝐔𝐒𝐄 are two different weather apps. They both measure the temperature using similar data, but they might weigh that data a little differently. One app gives you a great general forecast, but the other is what the airport, or in this case, your lender, relies on for its official reading. Because they weigh factors differently, your VantageScore can be noticeably different from your 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score. We've seen people report having a solid 700 VantageScore in their app, only to be denied for a credit card because their 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score was actually 656. That's a gap wide enough to turn an approval into a denial. And this is where most people get tripped up. Chase shows you VantageScore, but lenders look at your 𝐔𝐒𝐄. If you want to see the actual score banks rely on before you apply for a loan or mortgage, there's a really simple solution. A credit monitoring service will give you your up-to-date 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score, full credit report, and real-time alerts, so you're never caught off guard. I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out for yourself. So let's circle back to our original question. Can Chase give you your credit score for free? Yes, absolutely. Is it some kind of a scam? Not at all. Chase Credit Journey is an excellent educational tool. It's perfect for monitoring the general direction of your credit health, understanding how your actions affect your score, and keeping an eye out for errors or fraud. But, and this is the key takeaway, it's not the score you should bet on when you're about to apply for a mortgage or a major loan. For those moments, you need to know your 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score, because that's almost certainly the number your lender will be looking at. Use Chase Credit Journey to guide your financial habits, but get your 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score before you make a big move.